Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Karen and I review perfumes. That's what I do, I talk perfume. If you're looking for makeup advice, don't come here. I have other places you can go. I would say some of the perfumers that I like to watch that have gorgeous perfume, Jack's Beautiful You and Amy Glam. Wow, they can do makeup, those girls. Yeah, if you're looking for that, came to the wrong place. But I do have a goodie for you. I have a discovery kit to review. So I'm going to do that. We'll have some fun with that. But I have 1,000 things going on in the next 2 days. And oh my God, okay. My son is graduating from high school. The ceremony is tomorrow. They promised us 3 tickets so that Grandma could come. They gave us 2. Grandma says she's coming anyway. So I don't know. I don't know what I'm going to do. I have to figure out that. I have to go to the kitchen store. We're getting a new kitchen. I have to pick the colors before blah, 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 because they're made in the province of Quebec and they're shutting down and I have to choose them. So I have to go do that this afternoon. We're going to the cottage on Friday, so I have to pack. I don't know. I know. It's all fun stuff. So I don't know what I'm complaining about. But so yeah, my son is graduating and my mom just called and she's like, "Oh, I want to do a collage of all the graduating photos. Do you have yours?" And I was like, maybe. I think it might be in the basement behind a rock or something. But as a treat, just for you. This is my high school graduation photo. Look at that. Oh my God. Skinny, skinny. So, Hillcrest High School, class of 92, go Hawks. Yeah, that's how old I am. Anyways, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. So I got this discovery kit. This is from Santa Maria Novella, Firenze. So it's from Florence, Firenze, and it's got 8 samples in it. And I'm really excited about this. This was a gift from my husband who got it when he was in Australia at a perfume shop there. So it came a long way. And can I just say, I know I'm old, but the writing on these is so small. It's so small. I'm blind. But it's beautiful presentation. Look, it's got some writing there. And there's 8. So it looks really, really nice, actually. I like that. Sorry, I just sniffed at you. So I'm going to go through. So Santa Maria Novella is an Italian perfume house. It was started in 1612. So it's one of the oldest perfume houses in the world, which is pretty impressive when you think about it. Yeah, so it was started by taking the formula, I'm reading it here, from the Dominion friars that originated from the 13th century. Now, if I learned anything from watching Disney, Robin Hood, is that a friar is like a monk. So I guess they used to make perfumes there. And that was sort of the origin of it. So who says Disney's not educational? Come on. So the first one is called Acqua della Regina. I'm pretty sure this one's it. Again, look at how are you even supposed to read that? I don't know. Yeah. Anyways, this is the right one. So this one is a beautiful citrus, aromatic. I did try them all, but it's been a bit. Come on. So, oh yeah. So this is really, really, really pretty. It's got a lot of neroli. It's got some orange. I'm gonna read. Rosemary, lavender, a little bit of cloves, petitgrain. And then the dry down is musk and patchouli. It's really, really a nice freshie with a lot of green in it. Very fresh, a little bit musky. It's nice. So the closest thing that I would say it smells like is Tom Ford, Neroli Portofino, that kind of vibe. Very pretty, and it's not $400. I don't know how much it is, but I should look that up. How much is it? Okay, so their perfumes are available from noseparis.com, and Yeah, 50 milliliters is 85 euros. So I think that's about like 140 Canadian, maybe something like that. So yeah, it's a lot. I would say it's a lot more economical than Tom Ford, but just to keep that in mind. So there's a little blurb here. I don't know. Acqua della Regina tells you a royal story inspired by 800 years of tradition, just waiting to become your story. A royal tribute to the gift of love from Caterina de' Medici to the King of France. Acqua della Regina is the Officinata Profumo Farmaceutica of Santa Maria Novella's oldest fragrance. Oh. This is known as the Queen's Water, Acqua della Regina. Yeah, okay, so that's Italian for the Queen's Water. So it harkens back to the Dominion monks to 1533, and she took it with her to France when she married Enrico de Valois. It is a fresh and citrusy bouquet. I'm sure she smelled lovely because it is a lovely, lovely smell. So the next one is freesia, and everyone knows, or maybe they don't, freesia was used a lot in soaps. So it's a flower, but you often get like a kind of a soapy reminiscent. Oh, this is pretty actually. So this is a floral powdery musk. So the top is like freesia, but there's like rose, violet, rose de may, skunk cabbage. I have never seen that in a perfume. Skunk cabbage. And then musk and iris. I definitely get the iris. I get like the freesia. I don't necessarily get the rose, but there's definitely a floral tone. So people online said it was like old-fashioned. I'm not getting old-fashioned, but I would say it is more sort of, I would like more generic and like reminiscent of like of a soap. I mean, it smells pretty, but it also smells like a really pretty bathroom soap. Do you know what I mean? Like if you go to a high-end restaurant and they have like expensive soap. I like it, but yeah, I don't know if I'm buying it. I don't know. It's pretty. It's really, really pretty. It's musky, it's floral. So the next one is Rose Gardenia. So this one online, it was compared a bit to Chanel Gardenia, but I don't know if it really, oh yeah, you get the gardenia, that's for sure. So the notes are almond blossom, orange blossom, bergamot, gardenia, rose, fig leaf, jasmine, and then dry down, musk, sandalwood, vanilla. So there's a little bit of pink rose. Yeah, I don't know. I definitely get the gardenia, maybe a bit of orange blossom. It's white. Do you smell me? I like this one. It's a strong lake. I wouldn't say it's a love. So far, the first one is the best one that I like. Is it Acqua della Regina, Queen's Water? So far, that was my favorite. The next one is, this one is Rosa Novella. Now, I pretty much remember that I like this one, and also I know I love rose, so. Oh yeah, okay, so this is a woody rose with a lot of citrus. It's pretty. It's really pretty. This is from 2020. Petitgreen, lemon, rose, gardenia, jasmine, patchouli, musk, sandalwood, and cedar. I'm trying to think what it reminds me of. It reminds me a little bit of Coco Mademoiselle, the citrus, wood, patchouli thing. Patchouli is lower down, but around the same vibe. Instead of orange, lemon. It's pretty. Online it was compared to Chanel Paris Paris. I would say that one's more rosy. And Acqua de Parma's Rose Nobile. That was another one that was listed. I don't think I've smelled Rose Nobile. I like this one. Again, possibly a little bit soapy. I don't know. Maybe I'm still smelling the other one. What do you think? Have you guys smelled any of these? What do you think? Let me know. So this one is Angeli di Firenze. Firenze means Florence in Italian, and Angeli means, I guess, angel. So, okay, so this is full on aquatic, fruity, melony. You get that. So notes are jasmine, ylang ylang, cyclamen, melon. Yeah, I get the melon. Iris, not so much. Peach, not so much, because I hate peach and I would tell you if I smelled it. Red, no, black currant, white musk, vanilla, precious woods. Not just any woods, precious woods. This is a really, I would say this is a really light aquatic scent. People online said it had like a shampoo-like quality, you know, like that melony, fruity, aquatic kind of thing. I don't know. I haven't smelled shampoo like this. It reminds me a little bit of, I just got Room, is it 1015's Wave Child? Well, like a month ago now, but it smells like that, actually. I would say it smells a lot more like Wave Child. Yeah, it's pretty. It's very pretty. It's very light, aquatic, summery. Yeah, I like it. The next one is, I'm putting them back in order because I can't read the small print. This one is called Melograno, which means apparently pomegranate. So you'd think this would be fruity. But when you look at the notes or the main accords, it's very dark. It's like the top three are woody, mossy, earthy. You don't often see that profile these days. It's not a common profile. This was launched in 1965. Notes: bergamot, spices, bitter orange, pomegranate, ylang ylang rose, oak moss, labdanum, patchouli, musk. I would say I get the spices, I get the orange, and I get the oak moss. That's what I'm feeling. I like this. I think it might be my favorite so far. It has a real weight to it. It's not overpowering, but it's a lower lying one as opposed to the last one that was like a high floating kind of airy aquatic. I like this one a lot, actually. It's very, very pretty, but if you're not into woody, oaky, mossy, not your thing. This is more like an old-fashioned elegance. Actually, I just got a flash of Chanel No. 5. And listen, I'm not a super fan of Chanel No. 5. It's my mother's go-to, so I will always love it because to me it reminds me of her. There's no, what are those top notes? I can't even remember. There's no aldehydes in this, but it has some of that same earthy, mossy kind of thing. It feels like old-fashioned elegance, someone wrote online. Unique and complex, yes, I would give it that. Powdery and resinous with woody notes, yes. Classic and timeless, yes. Actually, of all the ones so far, I think I might buy this one. Like, this one is the closest, I would say, to a unique perfume that I have. So Melograno, which means pomegranate. Yeah, I like that one a lot. So far, that's my recommendation. Only because, well, because it's pretty, but because it's like super duper unique, in my opinion. I don't know. Maybe I'm wrong. What do I know? I'm just talking it up here. I'm just like blah, 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 blah. Next one. Tobacco Toscano. So this is Tuscan Tobacco, launched in 2008. Oh, I didn't really get them. Okay, so this one is a tobacco. I like this one too. But this is, you know, okay, so it says the top accords, tobacco, vanilla, leather, wood, sweet, amber, and then it goes down. But this is light. It's light. The tobacco is very light. The whole perfume is very I would say, I don't want to say underwhelming because I really like it. It's light. It's not, you would think tobacco, vanilla, leather, wood, you would be like blown away, blow your head back. No. Top notes, tobacco, bergamot. Middle notes, amber, birch, and leather. And the dry down, vanilla, sandalwood, guaiac wood, cedar, and musk. Yeah, this is from 2008. And this one actually had one of the highest ratings for all of their perfumes. And I see why. Like when I looked at it, I was like, oh, it almost looks like they have all these feminine fragrances. And they were like, oh, we need to make a masculine one. But like this one is a very subtle perfume. I would not say it's masculine, even though it's tobacco and wood. But there's a vanilla which softens it, brightens it. It's not gourmand. It's very, very pretty. It's warm. It's inviting. It's comfortable and familiar. That is a really, really good way of describing it. Yeah, I like that one a lot. And the last one is, I know, if I remember correctly, that this was not my favorite. I tried this one in the living room and I was like, This one's called Potpourri. Okay, not so bad. Okay, so this one is an aromatic, fresh, warm, spicy wood. Notes, laurels, which are like leaves from a little laurel tree, I think. Bergamot, orange, cloves, definitely get the cloves. Thyme, rosemary, lavender, Peru balsam, and then what else is there? Patchouli and cedar. So, I don't know. Actually, oh wow, this one was launched in 1828, and it makes sense because this smells like something that you would wear to maybe cover up body odor. Dare I say it? It smells medicinal. It smells like Vicks Vapor Rub. It's not bad. You know, like, I mean, I know Vicks Vapor Rub was made to smell like that because it has like that, what does it have in it? The laurels, the thyme, the rosemary, it's nice, but it does smell like medicine-y or some sort of like athletic rub. So yeah, that's why I was like, Pat, now I remember. It's not bad, but it's a certain type of scent. I would say it's more masculine. It smells clean. It smells medicinal. There you have it. That's my review of Santa Maria Novella. So actually some really, really nice scents. Really nice scents. Yeah. Melograno, love that one. Rosa Novella, love that one. And I love the Freesia. No, Acqua della Regina. I think that was my, maybe, I don't know. I don't know what I loved. I love some of them. So have a wonderful day. Yeah, if you have a chance, please subscribe and give me an Italian flag if you have that, if you're still here. Thank you to all the people that are still watching. I feel like I'm making new friends talking to all you guys because like you guys are now like sending me comments and suggestions and it's really, really wonderful. Have a wonderful weekend. Take care. Bye.